Hey guys, David here and welcome to this video. So you guys probably just came over from TechSource and saw the new setup makeover video. And in this video I'm gonna show you how I modeled all that and how I printed it and post-processed it so we got what you just saw in Ed's video. Now if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, because I have way more videos like this one. I do a lot of 3D printing videos, I do videos about PC building, custom water cooling, I do stuff about building these desks and all that stuff, I do stuff about CNC machining, so a whole bunch of stuff, different things with making. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button. But now right back to the video. Now first thing I did is, after I talked with Ed from TechSource and back and forth a bit, and we kind of agreed on what we want to do for this setup makeover, I started modeling instead of Fusion 360, which is the software that I know the best. So I started with just modeling the table and the monitors, stuff like that, that is just a given, and I have to make sure that it fits on there nicely and how I want to arrange all the different stuff. And after that, I got started on doing the custom stuff that I'm gonna 3D print later. Now, since I'm not some sort of master 3D modeler, I didn't model the Venom head myself, of course. I used the model from the internet for that, but then I just took that model and modified it, took the tongue of the model to make it into the headphone hanger, and I put it on like different things to make it for the PC risers, and modified it, played around with it a bit to kind of get what I was looking for. And the entire time I was in contact with Ed and just kind of sending him photos back and forth to see if what I'm doing agrees with what he had envisioned for this project. Then after some time, when I had the 3D model where I wanted it to be and Ed was happy, I just exported some nice high quality renders and started for the printing. Now, of course, these parts are really complicated, so they do need support material, and otherwise I just sliced them with a very thin layer height to make sure that they print in a really high quality, and I also made sure that the infill is strong enough and printed them with 3 perimeters, which meant that they take a bit more material and the print takes a bit longer. But it also meant that they're not going to get damaged in shipping, and also the person that receives the setup isn't going to have them broken when he touches them the second time. So printing the PC risers, they took about 13 hours each, so that was quite a long time, but luckily they both worked first time, super beautiful, and the other stuff was quite a bit faster to print, of course, as they're smaller. And then it was to post-processing, and since I had to use a lot of support material, it took quite a long time to remove all of that, especially around the tongue and inside the mouth, where it just is really complicated. But I was able to remove most of the support material really easily with just some needle nose pliers and some side cutters, and then the rest I had to use some files and sandpaper to get all of it clean. And of course I didn't want to just leave the entire thing black, so I took out some acrylic paint and painted the tongue red, which gives a really nice accent and some contrast to the entire model and makes it look so much better, I think. And of course you guys already saw the end result, so you can tell me how it looks, because this is recorded way back when I haven't seen how it looks in the end. And for the other things, painting it and post-processing was a lot easier. For the coaster, I just filled in the recesses with paint and then sanded the top flush to make it look nice and crispy. And after that, it already was off, sending it over to America for TechSource, and that's basically it for me. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more videos like this and other 3D printing related or computer related and all tech in general, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave a like on this video. Also consider follow me on social media and all the other places. Visit my website, all that good stuff. So thanks for watching, and until next time.